22 only. 22.
Ma'am, so last chapter finished?
Yeah. I'll send some homeworks to you from Madhi Sharma book. Attendance is very low. How can I start a new lesson? It is 2:26 now. Okay, children? Okay, write the heading. By the time, let them come. It is chapter 9, Algebraic Expressions. Okay, chapter 9, Algebraic Expressions and Identities. And identities. Okay. Okay, children. Do you know about algebra? Algebra. 6th standard, 7th standard, you learned, no? Algebra.
Yes,
When you
ma'am.
think about algebra, something will come inside your mind. What is that?
Variable.
Variable and constants. Okay. So algebraic expressions are formed by joining together some variables and constants. Algebraic expressions and are formed by joining some variables and variables and constants like this. And joining with plus and minus. Okay, children. 2x plus 4y minus 5y said. All these are algebraic expressions. These are algebraic expressions. Can you tell one example?
xy plus 2x plus 4y.
85.
Okay.
85y.
Yeah. Then a plus b is an algebraic expression. A minus b is an algebraic expression. B square minus c square is an algebraic expression. So all the variables and constants join together to form an algebraic expression. Okay, children, shall we write? We'll write. All some small headings, small things are there to learn. So first is, what are expressions? What are expressions? That means algebraic expressions. Write this.
We have to write.
We will write. Right. Expressions are formed. Expressions are formed. Expressions are formed from variables and constants. Variables and constants. Expressions are formed from variables and constants. Example, 2x minus y. First one. Second one, 4xy plus 7. Plus 7 plus 3x square. Okay, children. Value of an expression. What do you mean by value of an expression? Value of an expression. Write the next heading. Value of an expression changes. Of an expression changes according to the values we give. According to the values we give. Anusha, Binav, switch on your cameras. Dilla, Ayan, Angelia, Iza, Shreya, Amal, Gauri, Arjunema.
Ma'am, I have a network issue. That's why my video is off.
Why, Angelia?
Ma'am, if I on my video, your sound is cracking.
Okay. Okay, children. So value of an expression changes according to the value we give. That is, if example, value of y plus 2. When y equal to 1, how will you find? Give 1. 1 plus 2 equal to 3. Y plus 2 equal to 1 plus 2 equal to 3. Then when y equal to 3, what will happen? Y plus 2 equal to 3 plus 2 equal to 5. Isn't it? So the value of an expression changes according to the values we give. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Ma'am, did you start new chapter?
I started. Who is this?
Yeah, ma'am, Pranav.
I was waiting for you all. 5 or 6 minutes I waited. Okay, Pranav, look at here. 1 second. Okay. So this is value of an expression. You got it? This is last year we studied all this. Isn't it? So this just repetition. Okay, children. Next one is you know this properly. Terms, factors, and coefficients. Terms, factors, and coefficients. Terms, factors, and coefficients. Okay, children. What are terms? What are terms? Terms are added to form expressions. Terms are added to form expressions. Okay. Therefore, in 4x plus 5, what are the terms?
4x.
Yes, what are the terms?
X
Four
For-
and 5.
4x and 5. Terms are 4x and 5. Terms are 4x and 5. You studied this all, no? Last year.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
And what about factors? Factors.
Factors are atomic terms.
Yes. Terms can be formed. The terms themselves are formed by the product of factors. Clear, children? Terms themselves are formed as the product of factors. Like this. Term is 4x. What are its factors?
4 and
4 and x. Because 4 into x forms 4x. Okay, children, factors are 4 and x. And what about 5? Only one factor. Factor is only one factor. What is that one factor? 5.
5.
5. Only one factor, 5. Then what about coefficients? Coefficients are something else, no? Coefficient. In a term, other than the variable, you can see one number. That is known as the numerical coefficient or simply coefficient. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The numerical factor of a term is called numerical coefficient or simply coefficient. The coefficient of 7xy. Coefficient of the term 7xy is 7. And the coefficient of the term minus 5x is minus 5 itself. And what about the coefficient of the term negative x? Can you tell?
Negative 1.
Negative 1. Okay.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. Okay, children. This, according to the terms, the expressions are classified. Okay, children. According to the number of terms, the expressions are classified. Do you know what it is? According to the number of terms.
Binomial,
Yes.
binomial,
Monomial, binomial, and trinomial. Okay. Polynomial, polygon, polygon. Polygon means, poly means P-O-L-Y?
Many.
Many. Polygon means many-sided figure. Like that, polynomial means this expression has many terms. If it is many terms, it is known as polynomial generally. And monomial is a polynomial, binomial is a polynomial, trinomial is a polynomial, like triangle, quadrilateral, all these have different names, but generally all these are polygons. Same way, if you just write 2, it is a polynomial. It is a polynomial itself. It is a monomial and generally it is a polynomial. Clear, children? So these are classified. Expressions are classified on the basis of the number of terms. They are monomials, binomials. You can write the next heading. Binomial, trinomials, and polynomials. Number of terms, according to the number of terms. Expressions that contains expression that contains only one term is called monomial. Example, 2x
85.
Simply 85. 8. -1.
Negative 5y.
-7z x. 4x square. These are all examples of monomials. Then expression that contain expressions that contain 2 terms. Binomial. Example, ax plus b, 4z plus 2m, 5 minus 3xy. Next, expressions that contain expression that contains 3 terms is called trinomial. Example, A plus B plus C. 2x plus 3y plus 4z. X square y minus xy square plus xy. After this, write the heading polynomials. There's a special definition, polynomials. Polynomial. An expression contains containing one or more terms with non-zero coefficients is called then the variables, it's a very important one, the variables in the polynomial, Pranav, scratching. Variables in the polynomial having non-negative integers as exponents.
Ma'am, can we close the bracket?
Yes. The sentence is not closed. The variables in the polynomial having will be having. One will be, should be here. This I'll tell you, children. This here, 2x raised to negative 1 should not come. Clear? This exponents now, see. 2x square plus 4x plus 6y is a polynomial. But 2x raised to negative 2 plus 4x raised to negative 1, negative 3. Is this a polynomial?
No.
No, because that negative integer, negative number should not come as exponent. Negative number. But here coefficients you can write. You understood?
Ma'am, you video stuck.
Stuck. Oh. 1 second. Just check. Where am I? Okay. Can you see? Can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
That is enough. Okay, children. 2x raised to. See, children, here 2x, no, negative 2x can come. Understood? Exponents, no, exponents. Exponents means on the top we are writing, no. It should not come as negative. But here that coefficients can become as negative. No problem. And one more thing. It should not come like this also, 1 by x. 2 into 1 by x or 2 by x plus 3x square. This is not a polynomial. Because x is x raised to minus 1. Okay, children. So that either the variable should not come as a denominator. Same time, there should not be any negative number as the exponent. 1 second.
Ma'am, what about x by 2?
X by 2 can come. 1 second. Board is stuck. 1 second. Okay, children. 1 second. I'll give some examples for you. You will understand then that time. Okay. Okay, children. I'll give some examples of polynomials. Class, find what to write? State whether the following. State whether the following are polynomials or not. Sorry? Excuse me, Shane. Pardon?
Board 7.
Will you write this heading? By the time
Yes.
I'll come. Okay. State whether the following are polynomials or not. Okay, children? Okay, let us go. I'll give you the question when we reach there. Okay, children? Come. State whether the following are polynomials or